Hurry. Action!
Raindrops keep falling on my head, just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed. Nothing fits. Oh, raindrops are falling on my head. They keep falling. So I just sit into the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Oh, raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blue sentence to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Boom, raindrops are falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Oh, nothing's worrying me.
Oh, I gotta get it.